When somebody gets injured on the job, it's well known that they generally cannot sue their employer. They can only get workers' compensation benefits from them. What is less known and what a lot of people don't recognize is that they also cannot sue the entity that is called their statutory employer. Well, who is a statutory employer? A statutory employer is defined in the Workers' Compensation Act as the principal contractor on a job. So one common example would be a general contractor who gets hired to build a house. If I pay that general contractor to build the house, they owe me a contractual obligation to do the work. If they then subcontract that work to lower level subcontractors, that general contractor is their statutory employer. So if the subcontractor has somebody who gets injured, not only can they not sue their direct employer, but they can't sue that general contractor either. But there is an important exception that a lot of people don't recognize, and even lawyers don't recognize. And that is you can sue the employee of a statutory employer who injures you. So for example, using the example of the home building, if the general contractor's employee is using a nail gun and they stick a nail in your foot, you may be able to sue that individual directly, even if you can't sue their employer. And that can be beneficial because there's probably insurance involved for the general contractor that will also cover their employee. If you contact an attorney, though, and they just look at the facts of the case and are dismissive and say, well, we can't sue the statutory employer, they may miss out on an important source of recovery for you.